In this video, I will show you how to send an invitation to people so they can join your Slack workspace using a URL link. First, sign into your Slack account. Once you're signed in, you will arrive at the Slack dashboard. Now, look at the top left side of the screen and click on your workspace name. A drop-down menu will appear. From the list, click on Tools and Settings. Then from here, click on Admin Tools. Next, click on Workspace Settings to continue. Now on this page, look at the left side of the screen and click on the People tab. Next, click on Invitations. Next, on the right side of the page, you will find the invitation URL link under the Invite Links section. You can simply copy the invite link from here and send it to people you want to invite into your Slack workspace. You can share the link through email, messaging apps like WhatsApp or Snapchat, or even through your social media pages. One thing to keep in mind, to join your Slack workspace, the invited person needs to already have a Slack account. If they do not have one yet, they can create a new Slack account during the joining process. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.